quick video, show y'all the Sony 110 TV, black and white. And the only testing I'm going to do is what you see here. I'm going to turn it on. It does power up, and we get snow on the tube. I'm not doing anything else to test it. It has controls here. That's contrast, and I can see the picture changing when I turn the controls. There's also, you have vertical and horizontal position and holds and all that kind of stuff. Here's a little nameplate here. It's a 110U Transistor TV Receiver. The little part on the very end of the antenna is broken off. There is a number etched into the handle up here, and there's also, that number is somewhere else too, I believe. So, and look, there's one little dot that's slowly fading away in the middle there. But yeah, this the Sony 110 TV. Thanks for watching.